GstarCAD provides a series feature in Home tab, which can be used to create basic objects conveniently. Before we start drawing, come down to the Start bar and enable Grid, Object Snap, and Polar Tracking. Those will help drawing objects easier. First, let's try the most fundamental command, Line. Click Line command, specify the start point in drawing area, move the cursor to show the end of the line. You will notice a green dashed line showed by polar tracking. It means I'm drawing the line perfectly horizontal. Pick an endpoint and press Enter to end the command. Once the line is drawn, you can edit it directly when you select the line by clicking on it. Three grips appear. Clicking grips on the ends change the angle and the length of the line. The center grip moves the line without changing its angle or length. Press Escape to stop editing. You can also open its properties window and change properties by double-clicking the object. You can also set the basic line properties in Ribbon. Type Line command in drawing area, pick a start point, impose the angle and length, press Enter. Now let's create a polyline. Click Polyline command in the ribbon. Specify a start point to draw a rectangle. Select the direction and input the length and width. When you reach the endpoint, it will automatically close the polyline. To finish drawing, you can press Enter or right-click and choose Enter from the shortcut menu. Or you can tap Close and press Enter when you already finished 3 sides of the rectangle. Then click Fillet command in Modify panel. Select Polyline option, select the Radius option, set the radius value, press Enter. Then click the Rectangle polyline. You can see all 4 corners of the rectangle have become filled. In fact, GstarCAD provides different polyline types like rectangle, rotated rectangle, polygon, reversion cloud, and donut polylines. Follow the tooltips and select needed option to draw polylines easier and faster. Once the polyline object is drawn, you can edit it when you select the polyline by clicking on it. Several grips appear. You can select and stretch them to edit the object. You can also click any place on it and drag to move the polyline object. Then press Escape to stop editing. More professional information about grips, polyline, and properties will be uploaded in the following tutorials. Now let's create an arc. Click arrow below Arc command. In the drop-down menu, you can see many different ways for drawing arcs. According to the existing objects, using start, center, and angle to draw my arc is more appropriate. Specify the start and center point. Follow the tooltips, import angle, and press Enter. Depending on different situation, you can choose different ways to draw arcs conveniently. If you want to create a circle, just click arrow below Circle command. In the drop-down menu, you can see many different ways for drawing circles. This time, I will select Center Radius to draw my circles. Specify the center, input radius, Enter. Double-clicking the circle, open the Properties window to change its properties. Select Center Diameter to draw other circles. Using mirror command to mirror copy this circle, Windows select the source object, press Enter, follow the tooltips to select the mirror line, input N and press Enter. GstarCAD also supports many other ways of drawing circles. We can create concentric circles, multiple circles, as well as create circles by two endpoints of its diameter by specifying 3 points on it, by specifying radius and two tangent objects, by three tangent objects, and by existing arc.